Hey guys, Mrs. Kaufman here. How are you doing? I been enjoying the weather lately. Have you? Today I had carpool after school. It was so nice outside. It was really nice to have a nice enjoyable time outside. Okay, so answer those questions. Okay, here's the answers. Now you know if you got them right. How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal to useful? What will we learn today? To write inequalities and to graph inequalities. So we've already learned how to graph equations. So today we're going to learn kind of what the difference is with graphing inequalities. Write an inequality for this sentence. You must be over 12 years old to ride the go-karts. Oh, that's too bad. None of you are over 12, so none of you get to ride the go-karts. Just me. Okay, your age is over 12. Now notice how we've separated out these words. It's going to be kind of useful when you're figuring out how to write the inequality. The variable, we're going to let A stand for your age. The inequality is A greater than 12, right? Because that needs to be bigger than 12. So then we'll write it like an equation should look like. The inequality is A is greater than 12. Write an inequality for the sentence. A pony is less than 14 and 2/10 hands tall. A pony is less than 14 and 2/10 tall. Notice again how we've separated it out to kind of help us know how to write that inequality. So we're going to let P stand for the height of the pony. Our inequality, P is less than 14.2. The inequality is P is less than 14.2. You see how we kind of smushed it together to make it look like it's all together? Okay. Write an inequality for the sentence. You must be at least 16 years old to have a driver's license. Okay, in this one, it's important to notice that we have the word at least. Your age is at least 16 years. We're going to let A stand for your age again. And we have our inequality. A is greater than or equal to 16. So you see how greater than or equal to has 16 there. So the inequality is A is greater than or equal to 16. Graph the inequality on a number line. N is greater than 9. So first we're going to draw a number line, and then we're going to place an open dot because we have an inequality. The open dot means the number 9 is not included in a graph. Okay, and then we draw the line this way, saying that everything greater than 9 is going to be true for that inequality. See, the values that lie on the line make the sentence true. All numbers greater than 9 make that sentence true. Now we're going to graph the inequality on a number line. N is less than or equal to 10. Place a closed dot at 10 and then draw a line and an arrow to the left. So you see how we have a closed dot there. That means it includes the number 10. All numbers 10 and less make the sentence true. Traffic on a residential street can travel at speeds of no more than 25 miles per hour. Write and graph an inequality to describe the possible speeds on the street. So you can't go more than 25 miles an hour, but you can go 25 miles per hour. So let's see what that looks like. We're going to let S represent the speed on the street, and the inequality then is S is less than or equal to 25. So we place a closed dot at 25 and then draw a line and an arrow to the left because you should only go slower than 25. All numbers 25 and less make the sentence true. So how did what you learned today help you answer this question? How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal to useful? Here's a sample answer. Inequalities can be used to represent verbal phrases such as at least and at most. So I would like you to write and graph an inequality for the sentence, the puppy is no more than 4 months old. Since you're unable to draw an actual number line, just tell me if you would do an open circle or a closed circle or dot on the number line and which direction it goes, left or right, and starts at where. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, have a good afternoon, guys. See you in the morning.